Hi friends, I am Dr. Trisha Agrawal. So today I'll be talking about a few things which are there in everyone's home, 5 household items which you actually think are safe, but you should be really careful while you're using them. So these are the 5 things which are there in each and every household. And any accidental contact with any of these can actually lead to very serious and damaging side effects in the eye. So we'll talk about them one by one. What are the 5 chemicals? And suppose what are the ways you have to prevent so that you don't get in touch with these chemicals? And suppose if there is an injury or any accidental contact, what should be done at that point of time? One of the few things which are there in everyone's homes are the toilet cleaners and the floor cleaners. Now, these toilet cleaners and cleaners have very strong acids in them, and these acids have potentially, have the damage to cause serious burns. Even if they directly touch the skin, also it's possible. So, eye, as you know, is a very very sensitive part, and that's why while using these floor cleaners and toilet cleaners, you should be really careful and keep them away from the eye. Now, second important part is your eye cosmetics. So the eye cosmetics are even the other cosmetics which you're using on the face. If they accidentally get into the eye, they can cause serious burns because they are strong chemicals. It can lead to redness, it can lead to irritation. So while using the cosmetics, you should be careful. Never use expired cosmetics or low quality cosmetics. And always remember to remove the makeup at the end of the day so that no residue is left. It does not go inside the eye. Also, one important thing which I would like to add here are about the colored contact lenses. So, colored contact lenses were not purchased from a proper optical shop or low quality or put unhygienically without prior washing your hands, and you directly put the contact lenses, can also lead to very serious infections. So very important while you're using a cosmetic contact lens or any contact lenses, that you have to put it after hand washing. Use the proper solution of the contact lens, and before sleeping it's very important that you remove the contact lens and put it adequately. Third important chemical which is hidden in our houses every day are the aerosol sprays and the room fresheners which we use. Now, these also have strong acids or alkalis, and sometimes they also contain essential oils which are very, very hard and harsh on the mucosa of the eye, and they can cause serious burns. So, whenever you are spraying all these aerosol sprays, even your mosquito killing sprays and bug killing sprays which you use, so always point them away from the eye when you are using them. Next important hidden chemical in the house are your detergents. Detergents may be either they are for washing your clothes or you're washing your utensils. Again, they have strong chemicals. Prolonged contact, your skin also can lead to skin allergies. So eyes being the most sensitive part of the body, there's any accidental contact inside the eye can lead to serious burns, so you should be really careful. And next on point are your sanitizer sprays. So we post covid, we are all used to using carrying sanitizer sprays everywhere with us, and we use them a lot. These sanitizer sprays have alcohol in them, and alcohol can cause serious burns in the eye if there's a contact. So we cannot avoid all these chemicals at home, but then we should be careful while using them. Either use protective glasses or keep it away from the eye, and be careful while using them, and also protect your children. In case there is a contact with any of these chemicals, what has to be done, that is also very important. So in case of any accidental contact, eyes have to be washed thoroughly. The first 15 to 20 minutes are extremely important because that will decide your future management and how are we able to save the eyes or not. So immediately when there is a contact with any chemical, there should be a frequent or a rigorous wash for at least 10 to 15 minutes with cold water. And after washing, you have to then examine if there is any residual redness or irritation or itching. Don't rub your eyes, and don't put any over-the-counter medications in the eyes. Also, I would suggest don't put Ayurvedic drops in your eyes or any drops which are made at home, either rose water, because all these, since they are made from plants and plant material, they have a very high tendency of having fungus particles. Now, in a normal eye, they might not cause any infection, but in case your eye is already damaged with the chemical and you're using these drops, then these can result in fungal infection inside the eye as well. So you have to be really careful and not put the drops. And so, first and foremost and most effective step is frequent and vigorous washing of the eye with plain cold running water. And once this is done, you should immediately rush to your eye doctor for an eye checkup and get adequate treatment done, because if timely treatment is done, we can definitely save the eye. But in case of very serious burns, it can actually lead to severe dry eye, blindness, and decreased vision in the long term. Thank you so much.